Mentrang ba ka jela kondat ke sangma mentak sngi abu ya monong rim ban sina Pynheh ya ke Surok na wailoi si Mawkyrwat sedu rangtong ha Swkh district ya kene projek lamang sispa sau Phuh Klur ke basai ne kepala pisa ke jelahi noladep ban Pynheh ya kene ke Surok klempep ke Thain Mawkyrwat kan Phuh dur Samla bha khamtam ka jingdon jong kai kemarin ke itnat ban kring ya ki briu bat ban kentiu ke kamai ke gaji ya kejingbu monong rim pelong mentakasni Mawkyrwat ha kejinang sembut jangba bepej ke pribudi ba preston tensong menteri kam cengok kai ke jelau Timothy di Sira UMA ke Thain ba Remington lengdo UMA ke Raniko ba Pius Marwen UMA ke Mausnam ba Olan Sing Suin UMA ka Umsning Dr. Celestin lengdo nalogi weipat trăng ba ola penpau bagi distrik bahasa Bein ba habrok siketa kikentup ke Swkh distrik ke Karo Hills berka East Chanche Hills hendai mentak ya don hapedeng jong ganti jong keroi kepa habakren hakane ke projek trăng ba ola pentip banado usnem aja pra pelat praspa son Phuh Klur ke projek la pentrei ha Swkh distrik berkijingkulal bla khenlang baro kapoi menta syak kendai spa kendai Phuh Klur kini kentup yang Surok skim penpoi umbam umdi jika puli jika sumar hikam penroi hikam cengok kai bat kuei pat ha kate district.
As mentioned earlier by Remington, who is a very, very dear friend of mine, our friendship goes beyond politics, where we have known each other as friends, been through a lot of ups and downs in life together. And of course, we have been working together in this MDA government to take our state forward. And so I recall the conversation that we had. And even after that conversation, Remington has been continuously pressurizing Preston and myself to sanction this road at the earliest. And as mentioned, we could not do the entire stretch in one go. So we did half, and then now today we are here to do the other half. But the reason I'm mentioning this is to place on record the contribution, the commitment, and the hard work that has been put by Remington, your local MLA, and the other MLAs also, to ensure that this project is sanctioned and that we are able to lay the foundation stone. So I thank you, Marani, for your commitment and your hard work. And I'm sure that you must be the happiest person today. I'm sure every single citizen is happy, but I think you must be more happy than everybody else, because this has been one of your most important projects. I know that. And it's not easy for us as a government to sanction these kind of projects, because they are very large. 140 crores from state's own money is not a simple and a small project. 140 crores coming in from the state's budget reflects the importance reflects the commitment that this government has towards the people of Southwest Khasi Hills. It is a different story if we get funds from central government or from any other scheme. It's a different story. Because then there are many schemes and many government programs come. But when we do it from our own resources, then it means something special. And hence I am truly glad that today I was able to come. But I am truly happy that I am able to be here, to be part of this very, very, I should say, important project which has been waiting for a long time. The people of Mawkyrwat area and Southwest Khasi Hills have been waiting for this road project for a very long time. This is something special to me also, because I also have promised this to the people of Southwest Khasi Hills. So it gives me also a great sense of satisfaction to be here, to finally see the dreams, the aspirations, and the commitment today come true. I am very hopeful that the work for this will start very, very soon. And I expect that within the next 12 months to 15 months time, we should be able to see almost the whole road complete. There could be some stretches where technical problems may be there, but I'm sure most of it should be complete by or before Christmas next year. Friends, in the last 8 years, it has been the endeavor and efforts of our MDA government to ensure that no area, no district is left behind. Traditionally, what people used to see as corner districts, remote districts, be it South Garo Hills, be it Southwest Khasi Hills, be it the northern western tip of West Garo Hills, be it the extreme end of East Gente Hills. These areas used to be seen as remote, neglected, and backward districts. But our government has ensured that for us, our vision should start with those remote districts. So like that, our development agenda has been spread across. And I'm happy to inform you that in the last 8 years from 2018, close to 850 crores worth of projects, about 150 of them have been done in Southwest Khasi Hills. Just in Southwest Khasi Hills, 850 crores worth of infrastructure projects. And this, my friends, is one of the highest sanctions that this area has ever seen in the last 54 years. Road has been one of the major areas for us.